Good evening and good morning for some. It is the 26th day of February, which means it is day 26 of the Navy Plank Challenge, 30 days to 3 minutes. So today is 2 minutes and 20 seconds, which will break my longest record of 2 minutes and 10 seconds. I will probably be doing a lot of deep breathing. Please pray for me. Let's start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, okay. And little man today, the captain, is in his starship, and he has a phaser because he may need to discipline me. So, or maybe he's protecting me. Maybe he's my RP for the day. You know, he's my RP, so he's got a phaser in case somebody messes with me. I don't know, but I thought it would be funny to give him a phaser and he's got a little bear in an airplane, you know, because he's a little pilot. So now I'm going to start. I'm going to get quiet, real quiet. Uh-oh. Oh, I have to keep talking. That's the thing for him. He's got to hear me. Isn't that right? Huh? Yep. 1 minute has passed. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Please smile. How'd I do? How'd I do, Captain? How'd I do? Oh, yeah, you think? Okay. I appreciate your support, Captain. You're gonna need to get down here and do this with me sometime, you know. We'll see how that works. But I hope you are still doing your planks. Remember, 30 days to 3 minutes. You can do it. Join me. Have a nice day.
And when they were up, they were up. And when they were down, they were down.